Chloe, your first hiccups. You know? How do you feel?
Ma'am, I'm going to transfer it for you now.
Okay, thank you.
Did you want to actually write this number down just in case we get disconnected?
I don't have anywhere to write it down, so I'll have to call back.
Okay.
Thank you.
If you call the hospital, you can get a hospital number and just ask.
2229. Okay, thank you.
For information on our location, store hours, or products carried in our store, please press 1. For breast pump rental information, breastfeeding questions, or to set up a private breastfeeding consultation, press 2. For answers to many basic breastfeeding questions can be found on our website at www.care.com.
There she goes with her gang sign.